Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Microsoft Store not opening on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Basic step, you just need to right click on the date and time and select adjust date and time. You just need to turn on set time automatically and turn on set time zone automatically. Turn on both option. After that just to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method one, you just need to go to search menu and type ms reset. Click on open the run command and you just need to wait for this Microsoft Store open up. If this doesn't work, then you just need to close stuff here and go to search menu and type run and select the run. And now check my video description for this run command. Just copy and paste it in run command over here and select OK option. Delete all the files inside here. After deleting it, just to close stuff here, and now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type Microsoft Store. Right click on the Microsoft Store and select the app settings. Scroll down and select the reset option and reset to your Microsoft Store. After getting reset done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type Powershell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator and select as. Now check my video description for this PowerShell command. Just to copy and paste it and press enter. After finishing this command, just to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.